Alright, so we are here to work on the gross and net income. And so everyone should have these 6 questions in front of them. And what we are going to do is I'm going to help you with the left-hand side, and then you're going to go back and do the right-hand side independently. So we should all have a piece of notebook paper. And at the top of your notebook paper, I want you to go ahead and title this gross and net income, because there's no room for us to do any solving on this paper. All of our solving is going to happen on our notebook paper. So when I look at this first question, it says gross income $746.93, deductions $213.07, and I'm left to find the net income. So let's use our model to help us decide if we're going to add or subtract to figure out the answer. So I'm going to draw a model. And I'm going to split the model in half. And remember, it's gross, deductions, net. Just like that. Okay? And so I'm simply going to fill in the pieces that I know. I know that the gross is 747 or 6 and 93 cents. I have the deductions, which are 213 and 7 cents. And that leaves me trying to figure out the net. So if I know the total and I know part of that total, what will I do to find the other part? Will we add or will we subtract? That's right, we're going to subtract. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up right next door, and we want that larger amount to go on top, and we want the smaller amount to go right underneath, and we want to line up the decimals, boys and girls. If you're not lining up the decimals, you will not end up with the correct answer. Now that we've got the decimals lined up, what we want to do is we want to start it with our lowest place value, and we want to move to the right, or move to the left, I'm sorry, to subtract. So we have 3 minus 7. Well, 3 minus 7, that can't happen. So we have to go next door, get some more, and we're going to make this 13 because we bring over 10, and we already had 3 hundredths, so now we have 13 hundredths. And I can subtract 13 minus 7. Well, if I count up from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that would give me 6. 8 minus 0 is 0. Bring down your decimal. 6 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 3. 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, that is also 3. And 7 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that difference is 5. So our answer is $533.86. So at this time, I'm going to go back to my paper. I'm going to write that on my paper. And then I'm going to get ready for the next problem.